What's up guys, it's Amelia. Happy Wednesday and welcome back to my channel. So I went thrifting. I went off of the deep end. I just recently got rid of a ton of clothes. I don't know if that's correlating to why I decided to go thrifting today, but I just did a big closet clean out and got rid of a ton of things that I never wear and I've just been holding on to, and I felt so like clean and like flushed out the system of all these clothes that I was holding on to. And so then of course I had to go thrifting and buy a ton of new clothes. It's from a bunch of different stores and I found some really cute things for spring and I'm really excited to show you what I got. So let's just jump into the thrift haul. So I went to 4 different stores for this. I went to this little thrift store I'd never been to before, the Magic Goodwill, a Plato's Closet, and then St. Vincent de Paul. Let's start off with this pair of jeans because I never thrift jeans, but I found this pair of jeans at Plato's Closet. It's Gap and it's the size 28. It is a flared leg. It's a bell bottom, guys. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this. These are the most comfortable pants I've ever worn in my entire life. And I promptly went into my closet and got rid of 3 pairs of jeans that I never wear because I said this will replace them. So I'm really, really excited about these. I wore them the other night to a friend's birthday thing and I channeled my inner 70s queen and it was really fun. So highly recommend. Let's bring back flared jeans. Why are we wearing skinny jeans? Let's bring back the flare. So these were $12 from Plato's Closet, but I was selling a bunch of clothes from my closet clean out, so I did a trade and they were technically free. And then I went to this little thrift store that I'd never been to before just to check it out, and I really liked it, so I wanted to support them. So I just grabbed this little Puma workout tee, and I actually really like it. It fits really well. I didn't even try it on, I just bought it. I love a good like relaxed tee. I don't know, I'm a big t-shirt comfy person, so I love the color, I love looking sporty, so bought that. So now let's get into today's haul. That was last week. Today, this happened. This is from 3 different stores. So let's do this one first. I tried to keep the receipts so I remember like the prices and everything. So this is from the St. Vincent de Paul and I got 2 dresses. Like the dresses were like great today. I found so many dresses. I went out specifically to find a dress for a wedding that I'm going to next weekend and I did find that. My goal was to not buy a black dress unless it was the black t-shirt dress that I've been looking for, but I didn't buy a black dress, so I completed my goal. I bought this little gray t-shirt dress, which is really, really cute. It's from the brand 32 Cool. It kind of looks like some kind of like active tag. Doesn't this look like it's an activewear thing? I don't know, but it's a really cute little t-shirt dress and it has pockets. And what I like about it is it's like kind of thicker material. It's not like that like springy material that so many like little dresses are nowadays. It was $5.50 and this dress was $5.50 as well. I almost didn't buy this and then I was just like, why the heck, why not buy it? I've really been thinking about orange recently and it's like really cute and flowy and it has this cool pattern on the bottom. It's like tie-dye. It's kind of like mid-calf length, but it goes like in the front, it goes down a little bit more. But I just decided to get this because it's kind of one of those dresses that is like sold on the side of like a pier at a beach or something. I just love those types of dresses. It's just really comfy and flattering and I just thought this would be so fun to wear for the summer. And I know this is crazy, it's crazy, but I've been kind of liking the idea of a bit longer dresses. I always wear dresses that are either right at the knee, right above the knee, or like right below the knee. Like I don't wear like mid-calf or like ankle dresses because I'm only 5'2", so when I wear longer dresses it makes me feel like really short. But for some reason this one didn't. It's longer, so I thought that was really cool, and that's honestly very stylish right now, so I'm not sure if I'm being like influenced by the trends, but I love the orange, I love the tie-dye, I love the embroidery around the neck and also on the bottom. I just thought it was a really unique dress and I thought I would kick myself if I didn't get it. So that's all I got from the St. Vincent de Paul. Okay, so from the Plato's Closet, I got 3 things. I picked up this dress. Okay, it's from Old Navy. It's so funny how I always end up buying things from Old Navy at thrift stores, but it's this really cool like orange dress with like blue flowers, and like I got this other orange dress, so maybe orange is like my summer color or something. So I needed something to wear to a wedding, and I feel like this could be too casual, but it's also like really pretty, so I wasn't sure. And Wes is wearing a blue suit, so I thought that would match. So I might wear this to a wedding, and it's just really comfy. And then I got this little purple tank top. I just kind of grabbed this on the way out. I was like, oh, that's so cute. It's like a little active tank top, and I just thought it was cool. It had this cool like mesh detail on like the bottom and this sleeve shoulder area. But I want to start running again, and I'm gonna buy a cute outfit to run in, and that'll inspire me to go running. So I got that. This was really cool. This is the first thing that I tried on, and I was like, I think you need this. So this is like a jumpsuit thing. Yeah, that is the front. So the brand is, what is that? Susina. And it's this really nice like thicker material, which is why I was really drawn to it, because a lot of times jumpsuit things are like really thin, but it's like gray stripes, and it's got this awesome square neckline, and it's just really pretty. It's something that I'm definitely not like super I mean, I'm not uncomfortable, but it's like not completely it's out of my comfort zone. That's what I'm trying to say. It's like a little bit more work has to go into wearing this, and like obviously if you want to wear a bra, like you'd have to wear like a strapless bra or show your straps, so it's like a little bit more work goes into this. And I don't know, I think that I could also wear this to the wedding because it's pretty formal, and it has pockets. It's pretty formal, and you could wear this with heels, and I think that would look really, really cute. But I've been loving seeing things with this like straight across neckline, especially those things that are straight across and then they're like tying at the shoulders. I've seen a lot of dresses like that. So that's kind of what I was seeing when I found this, and it fits me really well. The fabric is really soft and comfy, so I got this. This was only $7. The orange dress was $6, and the tank top was $5. Plato's is always a little like, not expensive, but they always have everything is like $5. Then we have our Goodwill bag. I went to the Magic Goodwill, and it did not disappoint. There was a lot of magic happening at the Goodwill. So I'll insert some clips. I took some clips of me in the Goodwill, like looking at the clothes, so I'll put those in here. Now you can see what I decided to actually get. So I ended up buying this long-sleeved Cardinals shirt because I'm graduating from U of L, and so I thought it'd be kind of fun to get this because it's long-sleeved. It's a little bit worn, but it's just like really soft, and I don't always like how long-sleeve t-shirts fit me, but this was really comfy, and I thought it would be cute to have, and you could work out in it if you want. I found this just purple tie-dye t-shirt, and I know I could have just like made a tie-dye t-shirt for probably less money than I paid for this one, but I just really liked it, and I was drawn to like the spring happy colors, and I'm trying to get away from wearing black and gray all the time. I'm wearing black and gray right now, but I'm trying to wear, just incorporate some more fun colors like the oranges and stuff into my wardrobe. And orange and purple were always like my two favorite colors, and now I've kind of been more into like red as a favorite color, but orange still holds just such a beautiful place in my heart. Anyway, we're talking about this tie-dye shirt. I picked this up. It's just like a boxy tie-dye t-shirt. I thought I could maybe embroider something on the front. Not sure. Then I found this shirt, and I was so excited when I found this because this is literally everything that I want in a spring shirt. So you know how I love button-downs. Well, I do. I love button-downs. I found this in the women's shirt section, and it is this adorable button-down, such a cute spring print with flowers, and it's purple and like red, pink, but like kind of red, orangey. I just thought this was so cute, and so cute for spring. And it's Liz Claiborne. It just fit me really, really well. I love shirts like this, so I was super excited when I found this. And it's the perfect length of like, not cropped, but not like long and tight on your hips. It's just like hits your waist and perfect. So love that. Then I also got this t-shirt. I just love like men's t-shirts. I had to put back quite a few that I really kind of wanted to buy just because I was like, you don't need these. But I grabbed this Captain America t-shirt. It's so cute and the length was really good. It like went just above the bottom of my denim shorts, so you could still tell I was wearing shorts, but it was like very boxy. Yeah, I just liked the vintage like Captain America comic picture on the front. Captain America is my favorite Avenger, so I love anything with the cap on it. But I just thought this was really cute and very comfy. There's something about like clothes that have already been loved and worn by other people. It's like they just feel softer and like warmer and better. I don't know. Maybe that's why I like to thrift things. Some people probably think that's gross, but it's like, it's soft. You can just tell that it's been worn, and I kind of like that. So really happy with that t-shirt. I grabbed this Louisville Cardinals shirt because I have a couple shirts that are like red and they say like basketball or something on them, but this one just says the Cardinals, so I thought that was cool, and it was black, which I love. So I'm really happy that I grabbed that. We have two more things, both of which I am very excited about. So the first one is Old Navy again. I got this Old Navy flannel, and the reason that I grabbed this was because it's orange and purple, like literally what I was just talking about, my two favorite colors. So I was like, that's amazing, and it just fit really well, and it's one of the ones that is like actually very nice and thick. So I like to grab those because a lot of times girl or women's flannels are like kind of thin, which I like sometimes, but sometimes I don't, you know, you gotta have options. So I got this flannel, and the last thing that I got is incredible. In my closet clean out video, I mentioned that I'm looking for, or I was before now, looking for the perfect oversized denim jacket. And ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce the perfect oversized denim jacket. So I saw this on the side of a rack and just grabbed it and tried it on, and it was literally perfect. It's from the brand Cabin Creek, and it's a petite large, which for me is like the perfect size combinations because I'm a shorter person with smaller shoulders, so I'm like petite, but I want an oversized look. So like a regular large is like way too big, but a petite large is perfect. So this is adorable. I love how it has this like funky zipper pull here. It's really cool, and it has like the front pockets like this. So cute, and it's got this like really adorable vintage looking lining that's plaid, and it's just like the perfect amount of heavy but also not too heavy. It's just the perfect denim jacket, and I'm so excited about it. This was the most successful thrift trip I've had in a very long time. I definitely got things I didn't need, but you know what? Sometimes you need to go thrifting, and I did, and I recently got rid of a bunch of clothes. And while I was out, I took the rest of the clothes that I didn't sell at Plato's to a Goodwill, the magic Goodwill. So now they're out of my house, and we have space for all of this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my thrift haul. I am so excited for summer and going to the beach. I don't know if I'm going to go to the beach or not, but I really want to because I need to wear this orange dress on the beach. So I hope you all enjoyed watching my thrift haul. Let me know which thing was your favorite, and if you think I went overboard with thrifting, which I think I did, so I'll just go ahead and comment that myself. But I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you next Wednesday for another video. Bye guys.